5 Ukrainian military commanders returned from Turkey to Ukraine on Saturday. The army personnel had been held in Turkey since Russia released them in a prisoner exchange last year. President Volodymyr Zelensky brought them home from Turkey. This move has enraged Kremlin. Moscow said that it violated a prisoner exchange deal engineered last year. Russia immediately denounced the release. Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said that Ankara had promised under the exchange agreement to keep the men in Turkey and complained that Moscow had not been informed. In honor of the 500th day of the war, President Zelensky also visited Snake Island, a Black Sea outcrop which Russian forces seized on the day of the invasion and later abandoned. The 5 commanders have been lionized in Ukraine after leading a fierce 3-month defense of Mariupol from the Azovstal steel plant last year. Volodymyr Zelensky met Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan for talks in Istanbul. He brought the soldiers back home with him. Thousands of civilians were killed in Mariupol when Russian forces laid the city to waste in the first months of the war. The Ukrainian defenders held out in tunnels and bunkers under the Azovstal plant until finally they were ordered by Kyiv to surrender in May last year. Moscow freed some of them in September in a prisoner swap brokered by Ankara under terms that required the commanders to remain in Turkey until the end of the war. Dmitry Peskov said that no one informed Russia about their return. He stressed that according to the agreements, these ringleaders were to remain on the territory of Turkey until the end of the conflict. Peskov said that the release was a result of heavy pressure from Turkey's NATO allies ahead of next week's summit of the military alliance at which Ukraine hopes to receive a positive sign about its future membership. President Zelensky, on the other hand, gave no explanation why the commanders were allowed to return home now. In a ceremony later alongside the men in the western city of Lviv, President Zelensky thanked Erdogan for helping secure their release and pledged to bring home all remaining prisoners.